Hi, welcome back to Rohrich Knows Podcast, helping you become a better and more informed and healthy you. So let's talk about supplements. Now, I would refer you to several of my previous podcasts and YouTube updates on the supplements that I take every day. And certainly magnesium is a very, very important one that I do take every day. But there's a lot of confusion out there about the supplement you should take that's magnesium. There's like 5 different types. So let me narrow it down for you on which ones I think are the 3 most powerful and the ones that are safe. Now, you know, magnesium is a very essential element for muscle health, energy, sleep, and brain function. But which type of magnesium is right for you? So let's break it down. So let's take a look at it. I mean, there's 5 different types, but these are the 3 most common ones that I think are safe to take: magnesium citrate, glycinate, and threonate. These are the 3 most common ones that are out in the market and that are safe to take. The ones I take are magnesium glycinate and also magnesium L-threonate. Now, why do I do that? Let me show you why. So first of all, magnesium citrate is available widely, but I don't think it's got that many indications. It's indicated for constipation and muscle cramps, and the dose is up to 400 milligrams a day, and it has a reasonably good absorption, but I usually don't take that. But what I think is more or less the gold standard and the one that's safe, that's highly absorbed, has calming effects, and it's great for sleep, anxiety, and muscle relaxation. Take this at night, and it's about 300 milligrams per day, is magnesium glycinate. This is the one I think when you're first starting out using magnesium, this one is highly absorbed and it works well. Take it at night, it helps you sleep. And I think that's very, very powerful. Now, the other one that I think is very, very good is magnesium threonate. Now, the big thing about this one, it crosses the blood-brain barrier. So this one is very good for brain health, cognitive function. So I take one of these every night as well, and it's very powerful because it helps with cognitive function and brain health. And it's truly the only one that goes across the blood-brain barrier. So those are the 2 that I take very often and daily, actually. Now, magnesium malate, I think it's okay. I don't take it. I think if you have a lot of muscle pain and fatigue, it's okay to take, but I personally don't think it's highly recommended. This next one, called magnesium oxide, is poorly absorbed, mainly for constipation. I would definitely avoid this unless you have significant constipation. I don't think this is a good magnesium form to take. So, in summary, I would say the most important ones are magnesium glycinate and threonate. Those are the ones that are the most powerful. They have a good absorption rate and across the blood-brain barrier, especially the threonate. And I would avoid the magnesium oxide, okay, because it can cause diarrhea, low absorption. And certainly there's a magnesium sulfate, which is Epsom salt. I think it's great for baths and for soaking in it, but it's certainly not for oral use. So hopefully this really will have helped you to understand the power of this important supplement. So stick to glycinate or threonate. And then, of course, obviously, if you are going to get on any other supplements, go and refer to my YouTube podcast on this. And I've done 2 of them in the past because they're very, very powerful. And it tells you all about the science of why these are important. So know before you go. Please give me your thoughts and comments. And until next time, stay informed, stay smart, and take the right supplement.